Time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened in the green today. However, it was unable to sustain at higher levels, and within the first 15-20 minutes of the trading session, the Nifty came back into the red and traded down 40 points. The advance decline ratio was negative today, with 615 advances to 872 declines. An interesting observation today was the small cap index and the mid cap index, which were holding on quite smartly until yesterday, gave up 1% in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative today, and as per the Elliott wave principle, 5-wave advance from the lows of 5933 up till the high of 6819 has been completed. And post a 5-wave advance, we generally see a retracement of the rise that has been going on from the lows of 5933, which was in early February this year, up till the high of 6820 on the upside. Now crucial levels which can act as supports for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions are placed at 6650. 6650 is the 20-day simple moving average, and below that 6527, which is the 40-day exponential moving average. The daily momentum indicator has a negative crossover which supports a negative bias on the markets. On the hourly charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed below the crucial hourly moving averages of 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and the Nifty has closed below that. The hourly momentum indicator also has a negative crossover. So our view on the Nifty in the short term has changed from positive to negative, and we expect a short term target of 6480 on the downside. If today's low of 6711 on spot Nifty breaks on the downside in tomorrow's trading session, then we can expect further selling pressure in Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports for the Nifty are placed at 6650, which is the 20-day simple moving average, and below that 6527, which is the 40-day exponential moving average. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the negative today. Important crucial support trend line, the upward sloping channel, has been breached on the downside today. So we expect the Bank Nifty to trade with a negative bias in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 12,500 and 12,324, and crucial resistances are placed at 12,734 and 13,000 odd levels on the upside. So friends, our view on the Nifty in the short term has changed from positive to negative. 6820 on the upside remains a crucial hurdle for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Until and unless 6820 on the upside is not breached, traders are advised to trade the Nifty with a negative bias on the short side. Overall, our view on the short term has changed from positive to negative. That's all for today. Thank you.